Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. It's so cold. I think it's only like 30 something out, but it's rainy and so I have some hot tea. I already had coffee. All right, we got some fun stuff. I think it's fun. I hope you enjoy it too. We're obviously getting into Easter. Most of my stores this week, all the Valentine's is gone, but the Easter hasn't been put up yet. So we're kind of there. But I did find these, which is exciting. I've never seen this before. It's McCormick brand cheddar fried onion topping. I think it's like a shake and bake or something. So you can make like crunchy chicken. But I think what I'm going to do, I got a rotisserie chicken and Alfredo sauce. And I make like a chicken Alfredo. I don't use pasta, but I'm going to put this on top before I bake it and make a crunchy topping. Only 2 carbs. So that's not terrible. It's bread. There is breadcrumbs, onion, cheddar. It's a blend. So I grabbed 2 to try. We're getting to the point where I have to start restocking my drink mixes. I have not bought any for a very long time. I have a couple boxes left and then we're almost out. So I grabbed these. These are Hydrate. I like the Hydrate ones, like when I ride my bike and stuff. I have some boxes of electrolytes left that I bought last year because I thought they wouldn't come back and I haven't seen them yet, but it's the bomb pop of this type stuff. But this is the Pure Kick Hydrate. You get 6 sticks. So I just grabbed 2 boxes of those because you always need that. This is in no particular order. Oh, for my vacation. That's not for a while, but you know, when you see stuff, you buy it. I want to try these to throw in my suitcase. Just one. A loofah on one side, and then it has like the handle thing on the back. Or I could just bring the sponge. But sometimes, I mean, I prefer a loofah at home. Sometimes when I've traveled abroad, washcloths are give and take at hotels. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. Which is perfectly fine. I know this. So I always throw some type of disposable loofah. Because once I use it, I'm not going to pack it to come home. And usually I get like the 5 or 6 pack at the Dollar Tree. They're real thin. And then I just leave it. But I wanted to try these. And it's a 2-pack. So I grabbed those. I grabbed these hair elastics for crafting. I knit and I have double point needles and I use these to hold my double point needle sets together by size. And I had some, but I couldn't find them. So also when you make bows, these are great for bows to hold them together. All kinds of fun in the craft room. So I grabbed those just for crafting purposes. I mean, sometimes I will throw my hair up. Like yesterday, I put a baseball cap on because I was out in my garage all afternoon. So I'll pull the front up, but for the most part, they're crafting. For my craft space. I grabbed another one of these shoe holders because I thought they were fantastic. They come in gray and a cream color, a beige. So I grabbed another gray one because I saw it. And honestly, I think these are great for travel. And I have a trip in March, a trip in May, 2 short trips, like long weekends, and then my big trip in November. So I'm driving to Virginia in March. I'm driving to Canada in May. And then I have my big trip. So plenty of opportunity for stuffing things. Right, Alex? Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Okay, nobody wants to see your butt. Thank you. Okay. Also, I picked up for garage cleaning. I love these bags. They are storage bags. They zip up. This says it'll hold 2 pillows. This specific one is 13.7 inches tall, 15.7 inches deep, and 22 inches long. And this is fantastic. I store blankets, sleeping bags, soft things that I keep in the garage when I go camping. that I only use for camping. I store them in here and it keeps them clean. And then when I'm ready to go, I can just grab a bag off the shelf, throw it in my car, and all of my bedding is ready to roll. So they have long flat ones like under the bed size as well, which are great, but I prefer this one to hold my soft stuff in the garage. Keeps it clean. I wash it when I get home, let it dry, and then I toss it in here. That's kind of how I roll. So I needed one more. I was out in the garage working yesterday, building a trike, an e-trike. We're gonna have a review coming up. This thing is giant. It has a back seat. I know. I'm like, girl, that's a lot. Okay, I was excited. I've been on the hunt for the cotton yarn. Been having fun making trivets, hot pad holders with a double stitch of crochet. But I also wanted to make some like washcloths and stuff for friends. I just think they're, I just think that they're great. And yeah. So I grabbed this yarn. It's thinner than the yarn I'm usually working with, but I don't think that's a problem. I just have to adjust my, sorry. I just have to adjust my needle. But I liked this color too. They had these. They had a gray, a black, and another color. But I don't need a ton, so I just grabbed two. So I got that. I need new kitchen shears. I use these all the time in my kitchen. And lately I've been using a pair of craft scissors and they're not as effective. So I run them through the dishwasher. So if I'm opening packages of meat or something. So I needed that. I don't know where my scissors went to open them for you, but it's okay. I just needed some kitchen shears. So I grabbed them because I saw them. I picked up a pack of these brown paper sacks for a reason. Are you a bag or a sack person? I call them bags. These are just lunch bags, but I'll show you why in a minute. I need to check something. Where's my battery? I think I'm okay. I have you on my other camera, my Ultra Go 360. But I think we're good. It was telling me the battery was going to die, but there's 2 batteries on board. Okay, I grabbed some of these. How fun is that? This is microwave popcorn on the cob. I've seen these before. This is farm fresh popcorn. It is grown in Indiana. Contains 1 individually wrapped popcorn ear. Oh, and a bag for popping. So there's a bag in here. And it's gluten-free, non-GMO. It says there's a bag in here, but I'm not sure about that, unless it's a plastic bag. Remove popping cob from all packaging. Place your popcorn cob in the brown popcorn bag and fold. Okay, there must be a bag in here. Microwave on high. So your popcorn's coming right off. So I have 4 teammates at my building, and Easter I thought would be fun. Make a little Easter thing. I've got 2 more of these kicking around here somewhere. So I'm going to do like a little Easter bag, but none of us really need a bunch of candy. So we're going to avoid the candy. All right, for my cat litter, I found these. For my blind date with a book, the young adult version, definitely, probably not the littles, but the young adult version, to attach things to the outside. And I thought these were fantastic for that. And you get 10 of them for $1, probably $1.50, I don't know, something like that. But fun. So I grabbed those for my blind date with a book. And I think I have all my books now, so I will show you. The one place I was lacking was young adult. For your teens or adults that don't want too spicy. So I grabbed this book here. This is from 23. It is Melissa De La Cruz, the Van Allen Legacy book. I just kind of skimmed through and saw and looked it up, and it is a YA. So I got that for young adult. And then I got this, which is also YA, and it's Very Bad Day. And it's from Amanda Ashby, author of Zombie Queen of Newbury Heights. And this one, I don't know when it was published. It's an $8 mass market book. But I thought, you know, YA is a good age to encourage reading. And then there's other books that she's written. So I grabbed that. So I have 2 more for my YA little friends. I grabbed these. I love these when I see them. These are pre-cut parchment paper, so they fit I have half sheet and quarter sheet pans, and these typically will fit at least on my half sheet pan, and then I don't have to like mess with them. And you get 25 in here. So if I bake in my oven, I do have silicone, but a lot of times I'll just throw a piece of parchment down for easy cleanup. So I picked that up because I saw them in the store. We'll put that over here because that's kitchen-y stuff. Let's see what we got going on down here. Scummy. I have a lot of stuff. Okay. Oh, I found the white bag of the strawberries and bananas. This is the brand that I love of the freeze-dried fruit. And they're great. If you haven't tried them, they're very sweet, crunchy. They kind of hit a lot of the brain itching for me, like the tick in the boxes, without a bunch of carbs and sugar, which is nice. All right, I picked up these. These are your mesh laundry bags. I am knitting some slippers, which will be in an upcoming craft show video. I'm knitting them, and then they need to be felted. And to felt them, you throw them in the washing machine with a towel, and it agitates them, and the wool gets felted, which is fine. But you really need to put them in a mesh bag so that they don't get too pilly and kind of rough on the outside. It will happen, but when that happens, I have a shaver, but you really need to put them in a bag. And these are great. You just put your delicate items in here, and then this whole thing goes in the washing machine. I will tell you also, for travel, these are great for like your dirty laundry, socks, underwear, bras, little stuff, dirty stuff. Actually, kids' outfits, again, if you're packing. We talked about that with the shoe bag. This is a perfect size for single-use outfits, and you get 3 of them for $1.50, and they have the little zip, and you can see what's in here. These are great, not just for laundry purposes, which is what I will be using one for. Laundry. I found some lip stain. It might be a little dark for me, so we'll see. That's my washing machine. I'm not going to put it on for you because it's really dark, but we're going to see. It says hydrating lip stain. Non-sticky hydrating formula with hyaluronic acid. I don't know. I thought the color was fun. And then I did find one Easter item. I'll take this out and show you. I think I bought these before and I didn't use them because these pillows are 20 by 20 or yeah, something like that. And these are for 16 by 16 pillows. But I'm going to look for a pillow because I thought this was really cute. Is that upside down? No. Yes. Chilling with my peeps. Isn't that cute? It's not terrible, I will tell you. You got your little zip down here. This would be cute too, like on a front porch pillow for spring. You could stuff it with whatever you want. I just don't have, I don't think, a pillow form this size, so I need to figure that out. But it's cute. And this is definitely new to my store this year. I have not seen this pattern. It doesn't mean it's not out there. It just means I personally haven't seen it. Of all the years I've been doing this Dollar Tree thing, I have found that items come out regionally. And sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't. Mine seems to be like second or third in the regions to get them. I bought these. They're foaming sour candies. I just wanted to try it. It's gross, just in case you needed to know. But you shake it and you on your tongue. What I do like about it is this whole bottle only has 14 carbs. So a little sweet, like if I just want a little sweet something, I can just and go. It's not terrible, it's just weird. It's foam. I fell for it. We'll move on. For my littles, I need to start putting these books together. My blind date with a book, because I'm kind of losing track of what I bought for what. But these are for ages, what, like 3 and up, I would assume. You get 5 colored crayons, but these are the hard, and you crank them so they can't break them. So I thought with the kids' books and a coloring book, I could slide these crayons down in there. And you get your 5 colors, black, blue, green, yellow, and red, which I think is great. I'm assuming these were 3 and up. It doesn't really say, but also you're going to know your child and know what they can handle and what they can't. So I just grabbed 2. They're going to be bringing out the back to school stuff soon. So we have to all keep our eye out for that. All right, I have a couple more things. I did start my basil, and then I got this. I've not seen these, or I haven't seen them yet. It's Herb Rocket Parsley for pots, planters, or gardens. I think this is different than the one that comes like with the soil and stuff. Okay, I think you just put this down on dirt and it grows. I think I lost half my little seeds, but yeah, you just, all the seeds and stuff is on that little piece of fabric I just showed you. And there's directions. So we'll try to grow some parsley. We'll see. I never have good luck with herbs. My windows are north and south. I don't get good sun front or back, so that's a problem. Here's the other 2 that I got of these. I just think they're fun. And I will collect other stuff. I have plenty of time until Easter. And then the last few things I got one of these. I cannot find the one I bought. I have this hand sanitizer. But I love these because they have the little clip and I can just hook it to my bag and when I need it. So this does not have the sanitizer in it. It's just a little case to carry your hand sanitizers. And just so you're aware, the Dollar Tree ones, you can unscrew them and refill them with liquid and use more spray. And you can decorate the outside and make it all kinds of fun. So I got that. And then I got these 2 little kits to try. I made my first Lego kit at work the other day because we had some downtime and it was fun. And I was like, oh, I want to try that. So that has a little car and this is a little neighborhood. I don't know. We're just going to play with them because we can, right? And I think that is everything I got this time at the Dollar Tree. Alex thanks you, I thank you, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or had a fantastic day. All right, guys, I'll talk with you later. Bye.